Welcome to part 2 of our hunt with the new Element optics scope, the Titan. This thing is awesome, affordable, clear, and dependable. And we had a few days with this thing and we really made them count. This is the final part of our crazy hunt with it. I hope you enjoy.
Done?
Yeah.
He's going down. Oh, yeah, he's down. He's done.
Nice.
Nice shot, bud.
Try for a double. Yep, got them both. Yep. Hang on. Got a headshot here. Oh, I missed that one.
This string is a perfect example of you don't know everything even when you can feel the wind on your face. First shot goes left. I don't believe it. I know the wind's coming from the left, so it should be pushing it right, so I shoot again. Then I still don't believe it, and I put it on target and it still gets pushed. I finally believe the projectile and start making some shots. When I walked out in front, I realized that the buildings were funneling the wind, and the wind was coming hard from the right for these guys. We're gonna watch this last clip again because I was the only one shooting at this bird. So, is it just me or do you guys see two projectiles?
A little bit of headwind. I seen that one. Wow. You see a little wind out there, bud?
Yeah?
Oh yeah. That was like 2 mils all day.
Oh yeah, I believe it. How far was that?
80 yards.
I don't know where he just went. Oh, now I see him. Nope.
As soon as you walk over them.
Done. Yep.
Oh yeah, look at that. That safety is a clinking. When you do that, go walk the train. You did not feel like a color.
Smack! Quick offhand shot.
Those two are like, well, we would. For a second before you
Yeah,
jumped in there.
they probably shouldn't do that. I don't know what he was thinking. I wasn't. I'm just a big old pigeon.
Got the new Dreamline 22 cal out with the Airgun stock. Got my side shot.
Oh, that was so loud. That was 100 yards on the money.
Was it?
Yeah.
Well, when'd you get it?
Half mil coming from the left. Yep.
Right.
Got it. 108. Well, this is the shot you want to be prone for, but I can't get there.
Laying back down in front of the field again.
Alright, here we go. dead.
Oh yeah, he's still hanging there.
Yep, there he
Nice
goes.
shot, bud.
That was 108.
Shot.
Yeah, yeah,
Whoa.
boy! I learned that one from Steve. My crosshairs were going back and forth, back and
Yeah.
forth. And then I squeezed and hit the sparrow in the head.
That's crazy.
108 yards, hybrid slugs, element on top. It's a good day.
Oh, you guys are so stinky over here. What are you doing? Huh? Come here. Do you want to be on YouTube? Yeah, I know these fools come and they shoot off your house. It's not really nice, you know, wakes you up, disturbs your sleep.
You ready?
Smacked
him. Absolutely crushed him.
Nice.
Alright. Oh, the wind's switchy. Is it still coming left?
Yeah, I feel like it. I'm feeling it on my face.
All right. Yep, killed him. Man, the ability to see that in flight and then correct is like, it's everything. That was crazy.
That one definitely fell off the back, but there's a corn loading area on the back side of this, so he could totally be, you know, on top of the roof or whatever, but we'll do a quick retrieve, see if we can find him. Take a look at what the hybrids do. Hey, we got lucky. This one actually fell off. They keep getting stuck up on these roofs and stuff, but that one didn't. That was, I think that was 133 yards.
You might just have to talk a little louder with him.
Yeah, I mean, I'm like yelling, but.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Eggs. Oh my God, that's all bone. But yeah, it is all done.
Lungs hit too there.
Yeah.
Through
Yep.
the wing.
Oh my God, that crushed him.
Perfectly centered 3/4 mil. I mean, it absolutely crushed him.
Yeah, it's like he just disappeared.
Yeah, he did. It hit him like right in the breast and just blew him inside. 82-yard way to end the day. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Oh, I love it. I hope you guys get to hunt with this tomorrow. And if Norm misses, it's not my fault. This is sighted as well.
We're gonna get our grubby little fingers all over it. It's gonna
Yeah.
have smudge prints on the lens. There's
Well,
gonna be peanut butter and jelly in the gears and the
You heard me
turrets.
say I dropped it, right? Like it was sitting there and I didn't lock the bipod. It was just like, shoot, boom, straight onto the camera and the scope.
I've done that. Not
Yeah.
with my gun and my gear, my scope and my camera though, but I've done that.
Well, guys,
Long day.
that was a heck of a day. I'm actually fully exhausted. I don't think I've shot that much in a long time.
You're gonna have carpal tunnel.
I know, I was working like crazy.
yeah.
And I was working those turrets like crazy too. And I actually worked the turrets twice like an idiot because I didn't lock down the bipod. It fell right on the camera and the scope. And I was like, surely it's got to be knocked off at 0. So I shoot it, and it's hitting to the right, and I think the 0 changed.
Right.
The 0 didn't change. The wind was coming from the left, and I just thought I could get away with it in that hole. Because then later in the day, I had to bring it back to the original, you know, when I actually got in the no wind. So
Well, the big thing with the wind was it was switching today.
it was switching like crazy.
Yeah.
But I was happy because the Eagle Vision mounts held,
Yeah.
and the scope held, and
Yeah.
these were fully extended, and it was like bam, and I screamed like a little girl.
Yeah.
Did you?
I
Yeah,
thought that
I
was
was all by
Steve.
myself, and I was like, no!
Oh no.
Well, you were talking about the wind. One of the crazy things that happened today is that dust devil that kicked up.
Oh yeah,
my
we had
God.
like a hurricane come through. So if there's any spots on the scope towards the end of the
yeah.
hunt, that's
All
why.
of our guns are
There was literally we
hard
were
with
pouring dirt
yeah.
out of them. But I thought the clarity was awesome. I mean, you've already seen it by now, so we'll see what you guys think of the scope cam. But to my eye, shooting it, it was unbelievably clear and bright.
Yeah.
I would ask you guys what you thought, but I didn't share it at all.
No.
I got to look through it once.
Yeah.
That's more than what I got.
And
by
I
the
got
way.
to actually do all the work of mounting it, and setting it up.
Well, yeah, but then I tuned the gun, and then I
Yeah.
got all the dope.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
that's fair. I think the most I held was 2 mil, which is a lot. That's like 7 MOA, but that was a full crosswind,
Right.
and I think that shot was it was over 100, whatever
Yeah.
it was.
So how many shots do you think you took today? Because I know for a fact that at least 15 to 20 pigeons went down.
Yeah.
And countless starlings and sparrows.
I mean, I personally shot 6 speed loaders and hand loaded a mag or 2.
Yeah.
I went
Yeah.
through,
Like
I went
crazy.
through
Um,
one mag with one speed loader.
Yeah.
Norm, you went through a mag and loader.
Yep.
I went through a mag and a loader today.
Yeah, so I mean, we killed quite a few birds, and it was great. I don't want to take up too much of their time because I want to get to slow-mo replays.
Well, thanks
But-
so much, Jonathan and Matt and Shane and
Yeah.
Ted Holdover.
You guys
everybody
did an
else.
amazing job.
Yeah, I mean this scope is really thought out.
Yeah,
I
and
was-
for $800, we're shooting a Titan.
Yeah.
For $800, honestly, if you guys don't just sell out of them constantly, I'd be surprised because for an $800 scope, that tanks everything that I've tried.
Yeah.
And honestly, if it was $1,100, I would still think that was totally within the realm.
Yeah. That's beautiful.
And
I mean,
stay
don't
tuned.
change it. Don't make it
Yeah.
more expensive.
Right.
but it's worth every penny. I mean, I don't know what the actual total was, but it was a lot.
A lot.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It was a lot.
that's all you can say, a lot.
Yeah, you guys aren't even gonna see every shot because it was that much. But
Yeah.
slow-mo replays.
And we need more slugs.
We out. Yeah, we need
Yeah.
more slugs, guys.
Jonathan.
Send them over.
Three, two.
Done.
Done.